Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view everything you've ever bought on your PlayStation 5 Pro account. So maybe you added a game to there and you just want to go and make sure that you didn't buy anything accidentally. So on the home screen here, let's go on over to PlayStation Store. Then go up to the top and go all the way to the right to the three little dots for more. And then we can go to where it says Transaction History right here and just select it. Then select your email and go to continue. And it's going to provide you a date. Just pick a starting date and an ending date. So I usually just go back a few years. I can go all the way back to 2006 is the earliest. So let's just select this. And then anything I bought from my account should appear on here. And this will also include all the free games as well. Here we have Call of Duty. I just downloaded some sort of like PlayStation Plus pack for free. We got Pac-Man World. This is a PlayStation Plus game. Then I got wallet funding for $10. And I got Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. And I think I added PlayStation Plus Pro at one point also at the beginning of the year. So that should show up under here. Actually, it was 11/29 to 2024. We got PlayStation Plus subscription. So you can just see everything that's been added to your account just to verify that you didn't have any accidental purchases. So you can even click on it for more information. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.